occupied were their businesses and work at the Tabuan. The busy Sunday marketplace where vendors gathered to sell and exchange goods. This preoccupation leads them to neglect their children's needs for attention, care, and guidance in their family matters, schools, and religious faith. Without proper support, many children fall into bad habits such as gambling, smoking, and using of forbidden drugs. Some even become possessed by evil spirits from a tree believed to be cursed due to their weak family bonds and lack of faith in God. Initially, the desperate parents seek to help from a local quack doctor or manambalan, hoping for a cure. However, this only worsened the situation, causing more distress and chaos within the community. Realizing that the manambalan cannot solve their problems, the townspeople turned to the Santissima Trinidad, the patron of Talibon, for divine intervention. In gratitude for the blessings and abundance provided by the Santissima Trinidad, the people of Talibon conceived the Abundayan Festival. This festival is a vibrant and joyous celebration featuring festive dances, music, and communal activities in honor the grace and the prosperity brought by the Santissima Trinidad and symbolizes the renewed faith and unity within the community. The Abundayan Festival becomes an annual event serving as a reminder of the town's transformation and the enduring power of faith in bringing about positive change and abundance in Talibon. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, contingent number 3, Tribon San Jose from San Jose National High School.
Mingaw ba ani, oy? Nihit na kaayo.
Paingta rin kinabuhi ako na yun.
Nakakagamtang na ta sa kapait, sobrang kalisod.
Init pa aron, oy, wala pa tsuy abot.
Ma, naami amutan sa among project, ma. Unya na, amutan na po. Sige amot, wala na ganit tayo gilamoy. Laoy na kaayo atong panginabuhi karon. Ma, pa, nabi ang meeting karon sa muskilahan, kinahanglan mo tambong mo. Ay na, unya ra na, tanaawa ko grabing laoy sa panintaron. Ma, pa, maning bata ma, kay fiesta biyaron sa atong mahal na patron na si Santissima Trinidad. Unya sa nagsimba na pi, wa man ganit tayo halin diri. Unya na, una ko sa nato atong pangwarta.
Pasailoa kami, mahal na patron, Santissima Trinidad. Sa among mga kalapasan o kasaypanan, kay tungod giuna namo ang among panginabuhian. Nakalimot na kami sa among pagsampit kanimo, o nataligamaan namo ang among mga responsibilidad isip kinikanan. Mahal na patron, nangaliyo po kami kanimo.
San Jose.